Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. On today's video, we will be learning how to post a video on your Reddit. Before starting the tutorial, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for notification. To post a video on your Reddit, first of all, open Reddit app on your phone. After opening the app, you can see a plus sign on the bottom of the page. Tap on the sign and you can see options either post image, video, text, link, poll. Tap on video option and select the video you want to upload from your gallery. Press next, give a title and press next button on top right corner of the page. Tap my profile on the page to post it in your profile. Now you can see a post button on top right corner of the page. Tap on the post button. Now the video has been posted. Enjoy.